Let's look at question 84. Largest rectangle in histogram. In that question, you will be given an array of integer. That integer, each number represents a histogram bar. We can see the example 1. And then this task needs you to find the largest rectangle area. So in example 1, so we see 2. This one location is index 0, and this rectangle's space is 2 because the length is 1, height is 2. And index 0 and index 1, if we put them together, the rectangle area still is 2 because we only can get the 1 as the height. So this example return should be the 10 because we get the indexed 2 and 3. This rectangle area to build the maximum largest area. So this question, how to solve this question? So our solution is scan the whole array to find the shortest location. The reason is the shortest location is if we want to include 1. For example, in example 1, if we want to include this one, the maximum is the whole area with the 1, right? This is a maximum if we have this element. Okay, if we do not have this element, we can split the whole array to the 2 parts, before 1 and after 1. So if we can find some rectangle is more than have the 1 rectangle, so this should be the before 1 and after 1. So by this way, we continue in the before 1, find the shortest and find the maximum, and in the shortest split the whole array. So totally the time complexity should be the big O of n log n. It little look like the quick sort. So we should call okay, we set up some global maximum is 0 and return recursive and highest, and from this in the beginning we need to scan the whole array, so the range will be the arrays left and arrays right. Okay, this is recursive function, and then we will wide recursive function, and the input is first one is array and left and right. Okay, so if left is bigger than the right, in that case we should return just a return. We do not need to calculate. The reason is this: when we find the 1, we want to split this one. Split this 2 parts. This part is not included the shortest value. So they could be, in some case, the right after the calculate is less than the left. Right less than left. In that case, we do not need to care about this one. And if left is right, in that one we need to calculate, right? Okay, we can define the minimal is the integer dot max value, and in that one, minimal value will be the case left. Okay, else if left is less than the right, in that case we need to find the what is the shortest, right? Okay, in that case what we need to do is just write the regular scan function left and right, and do this one, right? If for height I1 is less than this one, we update this one to here. Okay. However, let's think about this situation. If we have we have several minimal value, how to do it? So for fast calculate, we should collect those things, right? So we need a collect integer to the linked list, and in that one, each one should clear and add this index. So we add if else. If we find the same thing, same minimal value, in that case, what we should do is we just add it. Okay, after this loop, we get some list. In that list is the minimal value. Okay, then what we should do is we need to use those minimal value, split the whole array to several pieces, and to calculate. So the leftest one is will be the left, and for integer I in this one, we call this function, and I minus 1. Remember, we need to skip it. Okay, so this one in some case will cause the left more than right. Okay, think about if this one is first one is equal to the left, is minus 1 will be the left minus 1 will less than the left. So that one, and then we update the to the I plus 1. And then we also need to do this one. We also need to do the right one. Okay, by this one, we do the recursive and split by the minimal value. After that one, what we need to do is minimal value minus right minus left plus 1. So that one will use the minimal value to calculate the whole array. So get um, the whole area, right? Rectangle area. So if m is more than max, so max will equal to m. So this is a recursive function. We are done. And let us try it. What's wrong for that one? Okay, so I think we gave some wrong definition. Which line? Recursive integer left 0 at the left. Okay, here we should not do that one. And return max here. Okay, and submit it. So first, this solution is work, but the performance is not good. This is a big O of n log n solution. And the space complexity should be the big O log n because it's used recursive. So we will need to find a more efficient solution. Thank you for watching the video.